how to simultaneously change the default admin password for multiple brother devices using BRAdmin Professional. Before we begin, if you need help downloading and installing BRAdmin, I have put a link on the screen to another video. Please note that brother devices must have a touchscreen for BRAdmin to do this. You will also need version 1.19 or above of BRAdmin Professional 4. For this step-by-step video tutorial, I will be using these 3 brother devices that I recently connected to my network. Right now, they are still using their default admin passwords. I want to use BRAdmin to change them. Let's get started by opening BRAdmin and then clicking the Devices tab. Here you can see the 3 brother devices I showed you earlier. I need to select them all using this checkbox, which will automatically load this side panel. From this side panel, I need to click the Password Settings button, which will show my 3 previously selected devices again, along with the 2 methods that I can use to change their passwords. The first method, which is the default selection, requires me to type my device's existing passwords before I can change them. But since the default admin passwords on each of my 3 devices are different, I need to select the Set a Password for Unconfigured Devices option. Next, I can type the new centralized admin password that I want to assign to my 3 devices. Before we go any further, there is an extra step we need to do. As warned by BRAdmin up here, BRAdmin is telling us that to change the default admin password, we must first enable the initial admin mode from the device's control panel. Let me show you how to do this. Here is one of my devices. As you can see, it is telling me to change the default admin password from the message above. This message is responsive and lets me tap it. Begin the process of putting this device into initial admin mode. From here, I need to tap the Yes button, and then press and hold the admin button for 2 seconds, which will immediately restart the device, and put it into initial admin mode, where it can now receive a new admin password from BRAdmin. While this message is being displayed, the brother device cannot be used for anything else, meaning no printing to it, copying or scanning. Therefore, we recommend putting it into this initial admin mode outside of office hours. Also note that initial admin mode will only remain active for up to 3 hours, after which the brother device will automatically restart itself and boot up into its regular mode. I repeated the process of putting my other devices into initial admin mode as well. I can now go back to the password settings menu in BRAdmin, where I can type the new admin password that I want to assign to my 3 devices, and press the Apply button. BRAdmin will automatically go back to the Devices window. Before I conclude this video, I would like to show you where the task log is for this event, should you need to use it for troubleshooting. It lives somewhere in the Tasks tab. Here, to be precise, in the Instant Tasks section. I can see that my password change was successful. To view further information about, I need to select this task log, and then click the Details button from the side menu, where I can see a log of each of my 3 devices. Where this log information is perhaps more useful is if you need to identify any failed attempts. For example, this one. I accidentally ran my password change task without putting my 3 devices into initial admin mode, meaning the task failed. But luckily for me, I corrected this and was able to make this video. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it useful. If you did, please consider giving it a like.